Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today we are going to integrate natural log of x whole square dx. So, natural log of x whole square, it does not equal to natural log of x square because they are not same. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please must subscribe to my channel. So, let's start our integration. Integration of natural log x square, as it is seen from that we are here using integration by parts. So integration by parts, there are no two second functions, so we will suppose it to be 1. So first function will be natural log of x whole square and second function will be 1. So integration by parts formula, as I have described in my previous videos. So integration by parts, and we taken first function and second function by Euler rule. That means first function is not inverse but second is logarithmic, so we take it natural log of x as first function. So integration by parts formula, u into integration of v minus integration of t first derivative dot second integration. Now write first function in place of u, that is natural log of x whole square. Sorry, I have put in only natural log of x. So natural log of x whole square integration of second minus integration of integration sign, then derivative of natural log of x whole square dot integration of 1 dx. That's our second function. Write natural log of x whole square as it is. Now integration of 1 is x, must put dx minus integration of integration sign, then derivative of natural log of x. So we are using here the product rule because we are derivating the function. So product rule, natural log of x to natural log of x as power in the first, and then angles derivative, that is natural log of x 1 over x. So 1 integration is x. Now x into natural, arranging it, minus integration sign as it is and cutting above x's, so 2 into constant natural log of x dx. Now we can't integrate natural log of x, so we will again use integration by parts. First function will be natural log of x, second will be 1 as we have done in previous. So x into natural log of x whole square minus 2 bracket first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration derivative of first function dot integration of first function and bracket close. Now write it in the same way, natural log of x whole square minus 2 bracket natural log of x into x, as integration of 1 is x, x minus, now derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x and integration of 1 is x. So we will cut in this way, x into natural log of x whole square minus 2, we will multiply 2 inside 2 natural log of x and x in the side because we can't multiply x with that. So minus minus plus 2 into 1's integration is x. So now write C. So this is our answer. We can use integration by parts, and please subscribe to my channel, like to my video for more videos, and you can request some more videos.